And not your seven again. But I can celebrate a Amakume who got say, who wish I were. And not your seven again. Or seven years can what I got celebrate a Amakume who got say, who they preach. Oh, Beshaware, Mama Yopi. And I just say, when I care, I was like I was celebrating. Amakume Ugase. Oh, Tamek baby, I can my people. Oh, and I just say, when I care. And I just say when I get, I was like I was celebrating. I'm going to say, Mr. Ajepo's birthday is June 7. June 7, next to Mars. Mars, here we go. Thank you, Madalio Sagio Sagi. I will be back, you know, you very better. Oh, best, Ime practice over your town. Hey, what I woman. Zeta say what I woman. You never had that, book your hotel now. I may not have an away, oh, I'm moving, say. I may not have it away, oh, I'm moving. Oh. Charly Pana, you get this music, oh. Yes, so. Kakaba, Boda Umene, Uteta se Boda Umene, Teta se Boda Umene, Teta se Boda Umene. Oh, the 7th of June, Mars, here we go. Where's my people? Oh, the react veteran. He may have just passed here. Oh, best. He said, Mars, here we go in Deutschland. I beg you, I do veteran. Book your hotel now. I don't book my own. Above the go. Last year we go in Deutschland. Mr. Ajebo and a lovely wife and his lovely wife birthday. Oh, come Ugbeshagware. Why you are there? Obviously, passing the lepo. Oh, yeah, Brezaki efwa. Brezaki efwa. Oh, God. Eh? Yes, if you keep a better, who does you? Eh? Eh? Yes, a better when you wait a poo. Like, but it is your time. In not the church, my brother, you can say that again. Or say again in your Okoye Repu. Equal as Silo, or my year, but when I go on, I have some primary school. Yeah? Una do well, my people. You could hear happiness is free. Ladies and gentlemen, June 7, mice here in Deutschland, Germany, here we go. We want to go and dance anything danceable. Okay? We want to go and dance anything danceable. Okay, my dressing to that dance is going to bring a gun. Primary school. Oh God, my Esquire primary school. Area about there. Ibatani awagbo low so that I beg you ni. He might understand wow. Oh, come. He might understand. That is why I love you. Always happy. Thank you, my dad. Imanaga we are getting if I hear you. I tell you, I but one more to you way na operation carry your would say and they fight your way are mas. Bah. When you are at all, you are to pick him. I want pick him. Make a warrior one may you fake away. I can't buy the be or about a busy and you talk. Buy one no with correct. Yeah, what you equate. Put it. Yeah, what ye banning it. Oja, what you take. Ya bebe for. You are via me, you toss any be kuni walk. You go my mobile. I benebe whipple. You spend goddamn money. 2 days sleeping hotel. I want pay it all back. I was saying, your old school friends in the Maggie me a denny pabe to little in the you can in London. Eh? Now me go there that day. That now me where they are lad where they make up. Where they make up where make up yeki that day. She go there. Many people they go there. Oh. Irresponsible, personality people. Oh, salopa when they go to a objection overruled. In Article 7,500, everybody must be there. Maria, I dare you. Who does you? Yo. Ha. Yes, so you are so lovely. If you tell me what we're back now, at the come on the 7th, we go see for Mr. Ajebo birthday. Okay? Ma yet better day, I feel cakey. Eh, sugar, I no like a cake in your fair. Yeah, I am a lalia. Maria cake in you. Thank you, my darling. Don't miss so. Objection overruled. A cake ni. No, the about defa your cake no jay can body. I just bet the day you cakey. Or even on JM people. John Messer, try no day. We need to see Ijeki deo. Ijeki go. Ah, why am I did it? Mother stand up. Ah, what you ever tell you? This your English, no? Say for me, I know. I give you pago. My sister. Stop it at the block. You better stay this way to your D. Don't make me angry. I want to take to my brother. Celebrate. They said my brother celebrate married to a Senegal women. Hey, where are you guys doing this? Celebrate. Baby mama, he's not a Senegal. She's Senegal women. Where are you guys ladies? Hey, my people, I didn't hear the statement in this social media. In fact, I saw one who was said the guy married. I was objection overruled. A bekoti are gay. Wana mi amiage Charly Brown. Wana mi amiage. He's my brother. Charly Brown is my brother. But one problem with this my brother, he didn't listen to me. I didn't know what is his problem. No, he had brother another problem to himself. Hey, my brother, anything you can for this prison that you go. I am going to pay you a letter if many you will pay it to me. Okay. So before I start, okay, mommy, let's face this here. We're phone okay. You go show your code. You say you will show abi. You will go show your gold. Ijene sweetheart of fure. Efire. Damnation agent overruled. Hi. I want large or better you boy. Ye mwe bene better wa view e kun ya soton. Wa begeji e wa mutare ni pay. I will pay the God that do. I want to spend money. I want to spend my money for you guys. Ye mwe bene better wa ri kun wa kun wa view me soton. You view my earring, you view my necklace, you view my bangles, you view my ring, you view everything about me. Ikwa me ya we say even I am with Bobani or I could be my people or 10,000 euro on a 10,000 euro. Who does you? My sister, you guys should very be careful. I don't want it. They said this, I will see, I will breed it. They say you married to Senegal women. I will breed it, say married to Senegal women. I am going to say it, okay? But then, ladies and gentlemen, Emperor Charly Brown is a brother to me. Okay, he's a brother to me. So at first, when we know, far back years, maybe from Charly Brown, We not be LO person. Charlie Brown a person where they close to me, not be say small. Una we not understand how certain know Charlie Brown. I know Charlie Brown. I think it's 99 or something like that. It don't say. So back years in Torino. Her lady friend, where he the friend that time, Lady Jessica. She was like a godmother to me. Some people they talk on that, they only talk on Friday. Never. You understand? Oh yeah, oh diva, you can say that again. Don't be sure my love. Aga le level where like kogi. I tell me na rive na what twagbe. Wagi like kogi. Ah, salubua. Una to the light or the laugh. But maybe why it not the day ma get be come. Mama where we fit you ya gear. Me ma beg me. Me to be maybe we ma beg me no see okay way. Suzy, I love you too, my darling. So me actually Brown, so we say no. That's year with the date that time where he come meet for Torino. She was like my God mother. I always go there. Oh, even I go woman. Maybe you like me 2 weeks, you like me 1 week. Oh, we are naked no do be na nagati Judith Moko Wuhani. Okay. Sometimes I'll go there, carry the baby girl, carry I go my house those here. That is how I know Charlie Brown. Through Mama Judith Jessica. That was the first lady girlfriend. No road diary Torino. No one friend the bola Torino. She was like, she's a big sister to me. She's a godmother to me those years in Italy. Okay, in Torino. Then that's how we with her call the move. In most time, they always do it true in their relationship. Like, you understand? So the yesterday where I go all those kind of stuff. Sis, she na my mama. Where I go, maybe me with Charlie Brown, if it be 8 minutes or use more senior me, something like that. So now, so we call it. Charlie Brown is a very nice person. He don't like fights. Okay, we cannot catch him. No one can you boy or you have any name of when and it might be not sorry. You understand? I'm your corner. It might understand the date of Mario Conari and Lucian Ba. Wagatia ya Negori Mariano Ho Ramuno, Mereba, Oriag Monaria Nusin, only Mubogumeta. Okay, it is where the Lord is strength. So that's what we tell no we come the Jalegbedo here. We never know say we come from the same village. I don't know. Edi maya Jalegbe to the extent. But now we pass away we need say one way na we mwene. You understand? Those years. You like us say we now. Although emo bo mwene that's why take care come find them. You go. They always they come my house. Sometimes you go come sleep. Because that my sister, it stay with me. Remember, body why you again. I get my girlfriend place where they always they go. Now so me with they play most time. Or maybe no tangible something no here no madaji. Go come give me make I as our friendship reach. Later he did I will cover the picture and post the picture with me with carry years ago. I think the picture is 99, something like that, or year 2000. So now so it can't day. Last now I no say Mama Charlie Brown is from Oka village, the same village with my papa. Now Mama Charlie Brown for come. You get the same village. Now Mama Charlie Brown for come. Obi Oka ye Charlie Brown rami. Obi walk back. Beautiful princess, you are gorgeous. Hey, thank you, my darling, thank you. So that is it. Then that dog do yakba. Una know what I put that in where he concerned a brother Ogberaki where they get misunderstanding. Okay. Although we enter inside, I was really angry because you understand. Are you getting me? I give it on here. I was even taking we are boy said you should give me Ogberaki number so that I can just say, I didn't hate him. It's just that I was really over angry. Are you getting me? Okay. That is it. Then one day, Ogberaki baby mama, on our way they call and say, a wife. Ogberaki, sorry, Ogberaki, when you are blessed, my dear. Charlie Brown never married to the lady where with her day house. They never marry. Okay. Now the woman born the last speaking for Charlie Brown. I think the woman we born for Charlie Brown. They go about 4 mama or 3 mama we born for. I believe my come or boy money ya go dia. If you Charlie Brown, you about let's say 4 to 5 or 6 near to Ogi. Let's say 5. Okay. Then, no be your month you want Charlie Brown or what be to no river. Okay, where this our brother for earth. I go there just now. You understand? Okay, emi do deri asokpia. Ikpe do so wa egwe mi ni atana. the when waya go go when waya do ohu immobo like I don't know why sometimes it was this scary you get a point when you are in a you know you are in a you first the one kind relationship with be like say you not go where then if you can't go the date you can't go date that key again if you don't say something. Sometimes you can be scared. You will say you don't want to get involved too much because their character get as it day. Okay, my people. It's like this may English. Hey, I don't understand. Are you getting me, my people? So I can't hear different video from TikTok. They say now Senegal marry. If I marry, go be this lady when he was in France. Are you getting me? When he was in France, I believe say na because of Ugbao. Or say no nati idioni. We towe we money gberi mana. Kebo ke yokaye ya to give on many. Umaitama wenana. It's just that he might understand. Yega iladiania. Me agwa le dot talk pa ni memu gie. Esa genoro we na siye ngogo sheto no na wasiye fo. Na be na muwe no mana mujo. Because ye na be ge sheto ni on live ya fe ni. Be na hen ya mwen Honey OKPAMEN magi my people, but believe you waited doctor asi sagen o karoge shetroni. Make me doctor no mo ye computer o shetrono ro no view ehin. No se ti di ogowe we ijoye. As a con I can't dey as arrest that way come up that day me with a control. I can't hear a report that Charly Brown is abusing the baby mama where he with a day for house. I know the lie me cover no marokba. As I can't hear that thing. Many things where I hear say that the Charly Brown they cook your food. The woman they cook your food. Now I say, what is that? What a hair in apartment, a room and a parlor. Why? I was really angry. Honestly, my people. When I know say me, I know they cover anything. You your mom making okay. May cover every no mama. I first talk and say, just now say your English. Do block you when my big bebo mena. Ebulu kwame no gwale. You will see what you look at. Favor. Please take the edege. And I take the edege bless you leave my English alone. And Mrs. say what is a problem? Leave my English alone. Your boy Epo Mary. Are you getting my can't hear different thing? Even the guy now do they depressed to the instant. I feel many gist to the instant. Eta logi ya gbe obi ero gi ta lo lele ya ke. In a way, on a too much now. After that show where I do that day, now call year many many things. As Charly Brown, different women have been in the lavani asun where they never won no life, no your good motive never. Uwayagama. No gi again I walk bareva, no gi ya vie we die. But a camera, keke physically or salobaga no one that I woman. Are you getting me, my people? There. Nobody fear me gear waya with your private ya the to no by waya no we because of pay you so gene uwaga ma wa yo pa o ma no wa ye fa wo ma no we se wa gi gbogbo wa me no ko wa e uwa nika but no gi ye hu oni ro no gi ye a bad motive you no wa kie we wa da no wa na e go pe na ya o bege with a nipo wa ni nya popo mai wa na e go bege pu e oh God of ye wo yo e gi na e we wa na e we Ekpuwe garu we power na Charly Brown gwa dokpopo no go ya gba etori oya ori ekpuwe ni ori ohonu musango yo eri wana ege si ai we ma beg any my people erima imi say don't block the time work no na ma you understand as I can hear this thing to the extent they say our lovely brother Charly Brown he go sleep inside room the baby mama and the baby go sleep the parlor and kitchen dey the parlor. I say what a wow. What I did, my people, I take my call and I call Charly Brown immediately alacrity. Bros, Epa Eddie now or what you say, hope everything is fine. Or what you say, everything is fine now, okay. I know we want to talk. Now tell us, say, bros, you get within a year, I beg. If not true, I just got to beg you. It's no good. No matter anything. E yaga river no say your way ro but ho na ho we ma be gba oge for one day ona be a day ona ya fight to the extent the way although we are arresting no matter anything she did a great job o ma kenya we eri ono we shetroki wa la diana maybe okay that is really fit for that woman and waka woman we they talk say okay o ma wa go be change gume so far le Oh, say na baby ya phone. That was the reason. No, you ho na ya iwe. Okay? Your ya me be prison, your ya me be ya. O get a point in the boy ya gbe won gbe not allegedly. Are you getting me, my people? So I request in order to have a conversation with this lady. All do bobo ko to na do gume gun. He give me many proof. Judge Jehovah Magedo. She give me many. I say many. Hi! When I see the proof, I say, what a wow. This is disastrous. On Edema at all. Okay? When a different, good evening, my sweetheart, how are you doing? If you remember, so when a different women, ya lava, here if you like and here I can't fear I here. Here if you give again, Okona, Moboya, Roba, Okona, Ikpana, because of my part time working, no. Oga ikpari winane ababi kuona gabe dede ya gbasha wo be Susan Landini gwale e kiakia e rie kia be ai bi agbon ni rugi more respect in egbe me honestly speaking imeni ko ya na wa make people understand that where ekia is very scarce. If they just make people they look and say ekia is scarce, I just look and say what a hell, what is that? So the instead why they feel jealous o wa no ko no be energy. Why we are here by whoever muwa no call you a video call. In presence of the baby mama Epa, you go they kiss. They play love for fun. That is very bad. When I come hear all those one, say ya Epa have over or more na with phone, you palo ya na where that is in Article 7,500 objection overruled. Again about those things in he will never change who is who he is. He gave me my daddy. He gave no jene wa gwe fun meri gi tie pa domo pros na we give me okpa ni on me let ave gbe be ri anana okay apomo saje ina ile ke gbe be ri ana what am I hearing okwono bia nu we umeri gad okpa da be ke no mo be je wana mi egugwa na wa ye relationship wa ya kan mo na mo to ba na wa we ri ono we o ko ma egbo ma be ge na ni arere gi ri ana ni ya verere na ari ya sikoko e bi agbon ni ri uge Voya isi koko megi negbi me erede nori anena ona ga ile lo pe abe ba ko eni ona ga punish o pe abe hawunye mo e ma no know where ebi no mie bo bo pe abe o sie very dirty lifestyle my darling, you can say that again. Okwo no epu we to the extent okwo na dogun me gwan we ugbeso agabe ni digo ye mana mego ye beti etion ye ri go ni giye eri ye ya we mi ya to the extent yena do ka me lawyer we na fight we o ga latian ori omo ye school ori omo re era me Charly plan o we wu he say era me Charly plan ebe me no ya le lo ye ebe ku. That is the conversation I have with that woman. I was crying. I was really crying. Try to pet her and then one you put here mo egitalo mama rokba la wo egitalo mama rokba egin aya record iwe egitalo mama rokba ziegbe bi yagama anote this woman say I go call am and then wa call e ohona wa reba. Yeah, exactly. And then wa call sorry guy and then wa call e okona na reba ma be ka mo kona ga kana wa mwefo wie wa na wate abro se bi ya bi na owo yesi ikito fo na we bi ni ho ma be tsame Charly Brown wo ho na ogun egun ma be ka ma egwe iyen ni bo blessed dominion nije opoko nije o se agbon ama we my love na do tie na do gu egun na we ma Epa iko no megiro ababe dete na ni ya gbasha wo be Susan Landini na ni do avie we do akowe na ena frustrating ena gwale gogo ya we gogo we mo ri go ye gbe kan na gwale keni akwe you know ena iya je na ge na to abuse we magi ni dono na sisi ko ni bu bie nu we ni okwo na pa keka we ma bie no ma we ma gba ogo bie okwo na bi o ga seke bo be Milano na abandon mo ani o pa kokko mo hia since o ma ye be worry ona woke let me invest here ni me na be eba mo and she did a great job but on my favor yeah I go clear but I know declare you know clear make at the corner me just but because he does not want to be a father area where you live a life now Good evening, my daddy. Good evening, it's not a baby again anymore. Any small time now, it go complete 60 years. Now, so it go to sit down, say, no get wife for house. Okay, I baby mama, no baby, and my baby, no very, you go away. Ina do gwegwa. Ina we bros, ina we nana, Emma. This woman is really hot. And if nana, spread the lily, ya, and try and rectify this thing. Okay, on our way, ina we I know asilo hula one ina we bros I no go take this to you know me oh now you they come me agbagbanya those years oh you know me you know in your the meter ya de lo si work no gbe boye ki awon mi ni ye life e ya kiyan e disgrace e ma we me na muria e gbe ba le me gbe na we pa me mo yin me you know ona gie we oh god ina we ma like e ma like na okono maro be na no gugwe gwana we otungwe no ko na no gugwe gwana o meri megbe mere wonyi me veri oni waja o me gwa ko na we dotun ne kere gi no givo e mana you understand so in a way I will very oni ona wo ma we na we no love go try to rectify everything with this girl at least don't let her feel bad don't let her feel where agbiyen ye say e man who have former this woman has become to be crying to be drinking alcohol. Now she's taking a BP medication. She be depressed. She now no the Erokiana was her. It take the grace no na yet ba owo mo yeri omo ari esku. O si omo pologbe. There money no kwekun egbeti ya ohian lie. You understand like wako and it's very bad. Ina do gwe ira me na go mu yebeta lo mama so egbegi wo yin yin ga tie ma so yin e fa mu yin aka yin be dene ina we e baba. You know, that kind of thing. You think, pay me. You understand? So, my tell on my parent, now what then you might tell on my, and then you take party for security purpose. I don't want to mention his name. Or what then you say, or we might get a with enemy praises or song. Maybe he lost his mama. You don't know. He be still calling to report on the man just, you know, shut on how something like that or whatever. In a way, that already make stressing or we pass through now. Or one of the report on my deck, but the big way near your boy is ina do arero na do gwe iproda gwe na iproda la wu rectify me na la again na we yikwe no giste iyaji court do pa we no pa egbe we yin ne yegi metin egbe we yin ne ina re na we no la na bi aimi iproda chas ina we no la no rectify with again I did my best my people but my best was not good enough ijeke one day again, okay, this lady called me. Not be small matter. Now, so the two of them, I tried to call her sister here in Belgium because I get a sister number where they Belgium here. Okay, I called that one. He phone the ring, he not pay. She not call me back. You understand? It's okay. Now rest. I can't depend the girl. You know, I tell him, he get one day, Brachas con de TikTok. He say no go gree me do the TikTok for them. He want go the waka the up and down, make it not do the TikTok in a dorero na we laho. Hey ye be you know. O ye na make to we ye be ye no fe. We ga weapon na wa police dori. Abu no da we police na mo. O wa say ni na se egbe mo mi o say ni na se egbe na we laho wo je se egbe laho. Awa wa ikwe shata ke egbipoba awe no wa ofu emi we bie na me bi o yin be re wu ni laho akonde began so from there ba ona do ta mame be ni dadore ya le lobo leba na wona possible sha to the extent abi ko na be diko ba a bucket in de koe in de gichali bran o gba nu waje wa adele mi jo e na we can be dege na we ko ba ni adegi eni o we e file ko na we it's your choice my darling because very me even ni me mate me gade o tafi me erobi me o ko be ogi duzopo gie o omo se kian wa ebe ni me possible agbomo na se kian na me no re pe o mekwe you know na ko the beg that baby mama na obi edo sisi obi edo wano obi edo no era vije obi edo no okay e be like say the baby mama say for you be here webo or you get away, but you are away, but you're away, but whether na UK or I don't remember the country where he did. Okay, he said the wife is been not wife, baby mama, because he never marry her, but he born for her. He never marry her. So never marry. The Senegal woman we marry for France now for level. The boy we for married now for level, but he not deal with all those one again. But the one where he deal with for hours, Charlie Brown deal with woman we born picking for her daughter. Okay, daughter we don't know what they do. Charlie Brown go they from that daughter. They do all those things and the daughter go they. That is the picking not call even different to Charlie Brown. Say for now we could do a big bene according to what the woman said. I say it's very bad. Sometimes he go come and say with Charlie Brown. You say they inside so with Charlie Brown over. Okay, ogbusan yeko. On the year wedding, Harry, we were what Madori was at the Baba La, what Bessan Yeko. We have a matrimonial bed, or more Vijay have you calling. That is so touchable. You never said when I cook you what they no. Since we dog every only way room and the paddle, you know, maybe walk here, is your banana reside was some more ye. Oh, why ho, wagua, was a good year, a palo. You understand? But Charlie Brown, tell me what you on a veboba, near ya Kegari. Niera e lobi e kokuobe ya pa fome o huona na ina we no laho no seri he e me na we no huona wagele we banana bolisa we or we etin han oneself because of the stress and all that. He say I hear say the woman is not from Nigeria and Nigeria madale montama we obi e desese no obi e desese no ige dia me no ba ya call beti mo ye speaker wa ge bi azeto ne obi e do no nia. I don't want me to put on for her because he got a problem. Yeah, we do. I give voice over here. I have a blog. I don't want to do that. Obiye dono motamu we. Irabije obiye dono. Obiye dono. Motama we. He give me no buy or see me or gume kwa mabe gwasi buy. Nita we or kere gbonu gba mabe gbe dagba 80 no igba 7 na bini person medali. Se li cannot come out in obiye do wa na kena irabije obiye dono. You get. So now be that one my people. So at the beginning of 3 weeks ago or so now, 3 weeks, early March, that it happen, or 2nd week of March. Now they here say they carry him. As I say they catch Charlie Brown, and I the phone, and I see it was soon. On a do bobo, on a do Umenwan Europe. Thank you, beggar. On a do Umenwan we give no soon. Before then. On a do tell me about my way, even ye may be Charlie Brown. Ye may you yan in ye yawu. You can't tell me say, let's say Charlie Brown don't arrange for grant. Charlie Brown can't they think say another person go fit do as arrest for and make him for come up for this woman house. Charlie Brown already pack it things. Wait one pack. Both you ever Charlie Brown got ladia. If you pan away Charlie Brown, my boy guys say go nyane. You can't log it for a phone because if you know he talk me he can't go to no rio because the time I where a care those things in honor all Latin he supported with that because of who Eva na pride they worry am. Hey, if you better tribe baby a pride a tribe man was all a terminary ya fiame or do he no quick the man can know about the practice and a very lovely person before I don't understand. Una know what it can happen. Charlie Brown can't pack all the old food allegedly. Now so the woman tell me, Eva, we mommy, Eva, ja, ni aga tell again no leke. Have is very and if you gonna pack a year, my get Charlie Brown talk, mama say, on a pack, Joey. Charlie Brown now have a luggage, no gikona, my you talk. It be like say Charlie Brown be talk maybe for look and say, yeah, where the boy we ask arrest ya, you know, but one way tell you a bill at who tell you a bill at ya, but a police now what you accept on it. Sis onona or fail onona they don't accept it. We no woni. No yari bela dia no te ya we as arresting Charlie Brown ya tama we go gbogbo ahenia. Abwiti e bonu we live video ogbowa oki. Instead of you to talk to Charlie Brown. No gbo nko to no wona na we can we as arrested Charlie Brown. Me no o ma give no so no waze we oga so no waze oho. Di we nu wani ko so ya we are. O pe itamu wa we ijobi yemma ovi yemma. We feel who had to be Jesus Christ in it. What for quadwe? A nemesis who are caught up with Dr. Yago go now. Even now, we be na a leg before a kama is free. Kama is on no more. Okay? Only give a bella jana not tell we as arrested allegedly as according to Obukai or what give a bella jana where police in our in Septona. Before I create carry a Charlie Brown quote boy tone or where the police in up in Google a Charlie Brown away G. He be talking that your Moari school or away a G. Made the deport and go Nigeria. I don't think so. Where he would like to go Nigeria or because he tell me when yari Nigeria and where I am possible you to see you allegedly. That's why I hear. But I know it. So now so waiting happen between that lady and Charlie Brown. It's too touchable. Even Charlie Brown, well, according to what he talk, he not good. Because why? You go there with woman for us, you go there cook your own foods. Offense number 1. Number 2, when I have you over, or more kekebije, in your kitchen, if I know what the way, especially with that innocent child. No, na have a kitchen. And what can when we from the palo no more have you over. When I la what we baby of the house. Or when Charlie Brown guy with video phone, ne dog just or gear me, or yak pabeti talking in a Charlie Brown dorupa and entrance in a large bedroom. Okay? Entrance whatever nabo wade kuku je na abo baso no Italy. Entrance in a large bedroom. Wa rupa or wadwa iba me palo and now we where's ye be my sister make way? I not agree, oh, I not agree. Oh, we may, ni me asaji ikwe, oh, ya have your dorupa. So, we are making again, I your own, we ni me na say again, I your own, we ikwe, oh. Mama, I'm sure he don't love her. He don't love her, that is just the truth. He don't love her. He don't even care for this lady right from the J1. Again, I tell you, we won't have but any so. Okay? But I don't understand whether I show this our brother or just still live a life. Yes, they can agamu huwa. Ona babi muna ve shentro e de Thursday ma. Ikate mo pa ma wa. Ikwo ya fe na ve shentro na wa marry. I akedo marry okwo wa wetin ya mu gojo ko ni hu. O sno ya ni bona gbashawo. If you like you take it or not. Ave shentro na ya akedo ri okwo ko no gwagun ya bo na e na kina. Uheni afio do woka wa gbashawo. Ya ta na wa yaji. Mo eminita. Iya ke dori okojo wo ko ni kabaji ya gbasawo okwo ni maji we gbasawo ni ani ayama na ere okwo ni lawa ma wetin afian gbogojo wa ma emi whatever just dey play you get eri agbaji all those shetro anybody don't give we no collect go we say shetro either you be esquire shetro or you be new shetro or you be medium one you be senior you be junior one now so that they live their life all those women where they married today where you go see all of them say na shetro don't marry now lie oh. Ye ni ga tamu wa mi na vian o visi asawo egbe wo wa o pe anopa no pe mi adisi asawo do mi me go visi asawo me we gbe do go pe ani aro wa do atebe ma wa fogun o ga gbo pe ani je la vi ja o the national peace ya re ni visi wi God forbid the lady supposed to know say he not love her he say I'm telling her to leave him okay she face it. Are you getting me? So that is it. He said not true. EJ, okay, with me and say, now the girl love her. Yes, the girl love her because say the girl don't bought for her. He not care for the girl from the beginning. It's just a person will get good heart. He not have a Charlie Brown. Ya ni piano. No way, baby, no ho na wero. Say me no so dami ayo no wash me la ho. Go monana. No way, no, I do not want to marry this woman because of the help way help me now marry her. Eh, yes, be ina ta. What I marry? Ina te when it's your no honore mana. No te pa when makoko gwe kwa we ya na make peace. E phone na go vi je mate we re gbe. So that is all egi mo call yen we je wan egi mo call because of my phone me. Of my phone number me so iriama emie se. Okay, ye gebe na mo Charlie Brown na ni aso set up greedy people will not say again now or any police do you understand if me oh maybe ultimate fee we are already very only way you can book another as a restaurant maybe all easy but it's unfortunate it doesn't work that way you get omonanu that release where your money is school where your money re a brother wa re bedroom we brother wa when the brother no he needs your need to save you pa. Oh, can't go me and a bayna, as I go maku. Nana me on my be afraid we are a baby. Me obey. He said, Mama, this is not good. Hato, she have low self-esteem. To love someone who go easy, have it yo. Kon we mure. Oh, you have a toga appear you go no that dog may be less low self-esteem according to what you talk. It may be over sabi, maybe this, it may be that, but sometimes even again not try no who na kina we ero bi me na kina ima only be no deva go me gba bi opa ba e wa gebe no we na all be change my work back started life You get? So now they say, I beg, who among you for here don't see the man for Paris? Why you they ask my daddy blessed dominion? Why you they ask? You know the Paris na Torino they na de for Kariana. Ibani na ariega. Good afternoon, my daddy Jojo. How you doing, my love? It's Torino na ariega na. O na ariega. Okay. So anything. A mommy won't baby honey. Good evening, you are welcome, my sweetheart. A mommy won't baby honey no re it's Torino. Or we a mere lady na you know ye be me or going gua. So we na ga come because if na even no gin you say begi go Charly Brown ne. Yeah, we maybe we can't take him serious. Said it's a mommy or baby Torino. Mommy la ho. Give me your pa. Gume ya go Charly Brown go la ho. No me nari. Give me ni ho. I just the pity at all make all those women go they visit her for prison. So in other way mommy ni gwa. A mommy ni na be go Charly Brown or na be go for we. You understand? So I did my best. I did my best to to try to talk to him and also to involve some set of people that should talk to him also. Or man by you understand? Good news in Niger. Why say good evening, my darling. So it's so painful. How many times they want carry go prison? No, they never free him before. He was in house arrest, my darling. They never free him before. He was in house arrest. I might free. You know me say you there as arrested, they don't free you. You feel there as arrest because I might be a case in I agree and I will do ya yenga better. You look baby one have a calculator by a calculator here. Okay? You there as arrest, not me say the person no go DJ. You understand, Mama? Because the court refused. That is why they arrest him again. Yes, my darling, I think so, yes. Because according to, allegedly, according to, you understand, according to what they said, where, where he say he took advantage of the woman exactly because he know the woman love him. Thank you, my darling. You get, a woman now where he do taweru by no ya kedo so again at this over. Or where or mo yen or mo yen or mo yen. He said, God, I beg, may something not happen to Amo. Stress is too much. Exactly. So or mo we yen where's the way now enough is enough. See, may a message in your passage a day Thursday will be a any of you way like make it they do nyaga because woman like you or he love you. Malikwe ereri moyo na we ala won mo iguo ma beg while take advantage of the because who love you when do how anyhow ma decide never working at work be kia we ogun ni must work be kia me no we vehicle we po or like the other vehicle and ro eri owaje. He say we not get network for Spain since because no light. Really? Hey, yo, let there be light, oh. Ija, now Lomuza, for Use, na ibi, ayo weramoto of Use. Na ibi, Olomuza, chief title. Yes, not truth. Okay, my people. So, anything, my darling, amazing people. So, yeah, so we see amu on a duare ga maka free e as arrest oga ye even ogberaki na as arrest na istidi in are as arrest ari egogo jin anwe okay emi opa ye na egogo oye na gbe mi so na ya ga enia so kati na ya gbabe na ya couple mi re ni na do logo na fia because that as arrest this team okay the one we senior ma oyibo na e no one police na e be all those criminal police no. So, oh boy, na kami about those things in ya wa be arrested. Iya wo ye na telephone. It be like telephone. The one with senior my bo obiera rije e no one police no all those criminal police, private police in the move human trafficking. Na e be. You get which is the federal police. Yes, the one we would call federal. Na e be. You get, oh boy, now what me about those things, have your worry cartoon. Oh, get a point, oh boy, you know all those things now, but so you be moving up the police, you want know that be your fair. Now you had that for saying that thing, whether they tie for their leg or their hand or whatever. Most of them, they tie for their leg. Why they tie for their leg? So that, I mean, now, then he go get another cable, the telephone cable, now plug again, one. Now, so the something they be. Yeah, plug up by you over. Okay? On your said, and I'm here, we have a time, and no, ya badge your wedding. Yeah, time again, no rebecca. Oh, 10. Oh, yeah, give me telephone, kept telephone, I do I saw the young one, and so, no rare or when he say at his age, not be even make a woman live on because of old cargo who was supposed to get woman by this time. Now TikTok give am hope. Okay? A commenter why so. Why make it even? I work in what me do no they know you look on one women. Okay? Waiting never happened before. Me. So na so I see ya. If na near igbazi ya when no ke arriva. Ono se na na mie we. Ege no market ke a program Ya program be na ni we. Wa la dia be 12 for example ula wa be 2. Okay? Program no Oru wa. O get a point if I be excavate in the buya em ni tana ge mata no. Then they be aru wa. Wa la dia. For example, you come outside for around the program also you go outside by 9, coming inside by 10, example, or coming inside by 11. Una gbegberage ni umana lawowa emi no miebo maleje. Wa be de bilali yato. Emi na ni nu gwege ni e de no si ame 2 years back. He don't say 2011. E bokpanare cafe. Make you understand that your kid's mother is also your mother because she gave birth to your DNA. Exactly, you are very correct. Brother Ken, matito hogbe, I swear. No. Sometimes I hate a black relationship, honestly speaking. Although, maybe for now, I understand. But no, we are treating me, brother, because me boom, igbo ave the menage na niya, be a friend dok be a, iwe ni magbari mi ma popori kugbe. Ma treating me, brother, ma treatness a war day, iwa le. Because to ari ebe me, ti abi enu to rigo me gift ma dene gbori go me ibe ri enu okay, a gift no abe go be me 200 gbe so iriye because we met the wa koro wa planting e magini enu ni on to kin on be yi set we me aye 200 collect 400 bobo me a gift ma dene gbe. He said that is why I like MC Papilo. He just did with his wife. Yo ho ni pa ma bi MC Papilo. Okwa bien ese papilo amadali. Matter we no reckon on your better okwa okwa bien I not really know about MC Papilo like that. I not really know, okay? I not really know, but I know say MC Papilo no one see where I love about that our brother. He not they play with the children. They always they all see one so I be anywhere as a Facebook, you know. Now my side the mommy or my mommy side, you get. So now it just be me set take stress ya wa get stress can book be o kon ni wa love e wa see e wa ye to we see ya vie wo wa ya wa vie no je wa re wa block c'est fini on phone you get okay on phone stress ya wa too much gbe o see especially man the love wa gbe okay especially man the love wa be me wa ye me wa re love you get a point me on your 7 me ye I always look quality of a man before I went into that relationship. I don't want to lack of anything. Like by no time, black beauty, you know, you must be soft, like be very romantic and you know, sexy and romantic. Are you getting me? You must be attracted. You must be caring. You get me? You say, how many women born for S.C. Papilo? I don't really know. I don't know much about him. But I know say maybe we'll reach 2, but more than that, I don't know. You understand? So I love those kind of things because I just want my taste. But if you can't be say, I can't defriend you, I can't love you, you want to treat me the way we are not like I don't like riding. In a relationship, riding, I don't like it. No. I don't like riding. You get me? I don't like riding. No. Like over control. I don't like it. I don't like him. Like him. So that is it. Ediogoti mana. Edioya dere o ibi agboni nirie uge. Okay. So it's a pity that everything odo ajebe nyanana. It take guajo. Eni awa guajo. But Oma work. According to the baby baba, or what really lati have to salobua, or what you be December yakin free. According to what she told me. Or we're going to carabinier the yare. It's a libra ma make you turn away in mine. Or which a libra now waging. Be carabinieri. Then yana kama we yare na which a libra not a me away ew. We put this in our what like Farefuba. Farefuba. Why are you playing, like playing games like that? Like why you say you don't know say they go come. Say na they content okay. They come carry and come out. Say content say okay, no problem. So say because the lawyer tell them say maybe they go come. We say Charlie Brown not say they go come. If you don't know why come pack all the old food, they be ya what Charlie Brown clear me ya you weary. Or by run and have way. Ukonye zaga na onare kitchen ogomaro oweri ya ba be mi e ko no fiori na fiori Charlie Brown ma be esi be sek mi ze aye gomo gai e va ni me na me problem with Charlie Brown wo wo mi amosalo ba no you go no ma ya go e ni are si aye e va ni me na me problem with Charlie Brown e va ni me na me problem with Charlie Brown why so be Charlie Brown are TikTok on ni nyeki ani nyu e be TikTok. He knows, my darling, he knows. Cause up point you talk. Charlie Brown in yeki have a TikTok. Yeah, after go have a TikTok. Eren ababu over no J. Charlie Brown walk aro yeah to where when they it's a pity that Charlie Brown does after so many years in Europe. I don't understand though. You understand my people. So the thing, it really break me also. I was not happy about it. Especially the way he maltreats that woman. I don't like her. To me, it's maltreatness. And all those women, no do it back very only. Ave did ave sister do it back in who ave baby very only Taliban ambo bobi kwana do we as arrested we sister. We are met is a bene Taliban ambo la wa. Wa met is a bene Taliban gu we arowa. Hey ogele tolo me. Oh, salobo ni go do. Iya do ko leji kineba. We are metisi egbe assista. The Charlie Brown agbe phone we, the gbe love we phone no ga ti ko be baby. No ga ti ko be sweetheart we honey. You want me to get door stop. We are queer, eh? He say Mama, I tell you, TikTok na give her hope. Obema video. Obema. How many I give her hope? If you want carry bag of rice, go please. Blessed dominion. Ewa. E commenta. Me maybe the Facebook mo bo why. Waka pio. Oh, mo are prisoner ya lewo do. That means every year I where all that is here no be any ya have a dali. No matter I no be honor what is there, honor what temu, honor what mukba. Hey, one of the okay, na your wa wa tolo. Me me tell you who yours is there. They just didn't know who neba. We say baba. Ya didn't know who neba. Ka kwe pa na we do less. I wa actually me. I me fi aro kwa iwe me. Ijo. Iwe ga si ama he akeka yobo he ya atolo me na me be o delta me be mi kedo me o salobo aje gbe na gbesa he say as strong he as a wife I thought he as a wife in France. No, that one don't pass, that one na Esquire ni yawe story obe gwa be ni kin ni awo yawe mi ati ebe wodo ni awo yawe marriage in France. That one another talk. That one another talk. So let's just forget about that one we did for France. That one don't pass. So let's face the recent one. You understand me? Not come be say we are just trying to, may not be say we they try to humiliate her or something like that. He's still our brother, but he make a lot of error. He make a lot of error. A lot of men don't make mistake. Now be the love where I get for this my brother or Don Moscow. A love in the woman no pianana hena. He like okpiano logo jo logo re no we rock gi you ate do aju gbe ba ya gbin. Obiere igba ka be ikoya ni biene. Obono na no pawe obona wewe no gi gwe no ni na re na wa boda from la re no ki ma do bokun wa hen. That one carry her eta ase na ba start ma no amu go your one we marriage na we ya. You see the man is working, the woman is not working. I mean one necessity change their life, okay? I mean one necessity change their life, okay? The man the Charly Brown they shetona baro DNA in my day. Iwa ya fi with the Iwa ya fi with I can use my brother Don Moscow to give example number one. Oh, wa win now, not be saying I go call. Yen win na bokai na win ya bokai ragbe, but agbe. A weekend ya beg me. Come and see the kind of love no me not that phone. Obokai jage bo o kie e setonike wa ma la wa bokin afie kun le luwa. Because o gba ni uwa o create example. Iyoge Don Moscow o wa se Epa Moscow se na ya give example wa do example of a man of the bar take it back. Obiere dogo na we bi rokparo I want to be brand myself abeg yeti. Emi amefo emi ya fo emi na ho wa se do yi. Okay, ona arrange gbe. I'm telling you guys. O piano na wa arrange gbe. Don Moscow wa emi no wo wagumeni nyo e ma wa. Wagumeni nyo e. Oga to du pagolo mu ba na social media wa yo we re ma bi no etin aye bi no ewu. Wagumen na e. Let me narrate him. Me brother Dennis, let me narrate him. Azekpe mi abe shetoni ke gba Nigeria no mari okwo yari okwo. Don Moscow ri okwo no marriage na wo gbegba. Edia ya we mi. I swear. Okpe na yige oseke ni job ye naje na pa wenyen oseke no pa. Ona gwijob ye okwo ne Don Moscow mare ni abo egbaro kwa pa be Spain. Ijob ye obo kan ijob ye na we. Okwo na iki come back. Oh my brother. Ge Don Moscow ito ge mawe. Mabega wo kan we nu ya mare ijo we nu bunu na to abo kan we dene na. Ule egbe, ule una lega. Una vie stragi ye keku. I swear. Honor with court marriage and tradition. You get me, my people? Honor with court marriage. Me no see you get you work bena. Honor with court marriage, honor with tradition. Oboka eni. Oboke Don Moscow. Okpoko nije. Why cannot do? Wagumena. Let me narrate her. And get a narrate today with me. Hey, my sister. I have never narrated you. There time you have and you over upania. I mean, no more social media when I don't boy. No, it's a no way or Gumeni Yamawa. Gumen na yamana yamasomana yamas ovo. Ia toya bebugion hoya. Eriano ya bagwagi la ya pakaraguda akoda emia me no work begi tuya ye. E dene kuya ya e deno for ya mwesoto. Una know what that woman do? That woman try to unite all the children where Don Moscow don't born. He tried to unite them to the extent so that make it get relationship with them. The one way not agree. Another one like that, whether not the one way they say born twist or something like that, I don't know. Do you understand? The woman come out, settle where they go party, they go one party, whether na Madrid, I don't know whether for go my party, they see the woman they settle with her, the woman go carry the Moscow picking con. You can't settle with the Moscow, do everything with the woman out of them. I see the picture where all of the God carry. Both the woman way pon for her, both the wife way there for her, so both the Moscow, both the pikin. The Moscow wife can't even tell that woman, say, I beg, let my pikin they come our house so that make it come they follow the family they play. Now God get power, you too try, my brother. You too try. You too try. Umagia you beba bueno ke lawa. You look and say no. Also no imebe. Which can't this be this one? I tell you some do. Wa me ma go kwiaku. So me no say me de ku. Iya mai. E do Moscow bo kana no rogwa no ma drive no ri kwasha wo no ya me ego be. Ba take ni ajo wudoi. Oscar city ba take ni ojo wudoi no gbe wudoi wa be la no easy me. Oh snow. You understand? Edioma we say example. Why ge ya we example? No manoro wage. Edio to mo pa no wa be sitting ka wa be je respe bo doni. O ni abeto wa ye gbeche projule. Edeni agbori bi supangolo ede. Edeni agbori. Ni supangolo ede. Ye me ye la gba ni aru. Ai ke do asio ma le la we bo ki ona ga gbeche tro ne se tro no le la we bo ki anu we ge ki ato. E se tro no gi le la we bo ne ba bi go no ya hepa. Unwe ge to. I swear. Ono se so se to yan ga wu. Iya me no ka me ya we. Iya okiari abe. E so wetin ya le mi gbiwa. Because of obaloni ase ye me gbe. O ma se we mi. Abe fi weri e. Abe fi weri e. O slow o snow. Thank you. Abo snow base. You get. O ma gi obo kan o snow. No gbe e. Igbe agare bo dokodo ri oyogwa. Obo kan no ri oyogwa na. O ma ka ya mi ego na bo snow. Ni buni rugwiya. Mano sabadi sa wa brother ga da zona sesina. Ige don Moscow. Mano sinye. Majority of them ni ke ya fe o. Uwo wo kin ya wa gbasha wo Moscow. Bo snow. Abu we no jo snow ne. We na ya gbasha wo bo snow. Gbasha wo we na ira keke. Egbu e be oni gbe to ta me me. Akwa ya be de no wa be go pa mu ya be la dia. Ogwe I don't marry my wife is brother who good when la wo. Wo ibie no kwe kwe be na mu ya da de kia. Awo. Allegedly, my Miri. So kunya use no here. So that is it, my people. I Miri na ze u nemu yoto. I Miri yok pa bona na ze u nemu yoto. Me brede. Ladies and gentlemen, me brede. I me brede herendi globe. That is recently. You guys try and repeat. The kingdom of God is coming soon. It's around of the backyard. You guys should change. There is no many again in the country. Everybody is trying to arrange the safe. Before they came and be slapping you with a stick, you better hit your head. Because any man that had boy 30 years that is situation through, they will be giving you 45 euros to enter the train. No many is train again. Everybody is straight to age. As the woman is crying. A message to all our men. We old women that is in Israel, that is still going to Oslo and Switzerland. Or a boy and the Ware Switzerland that would take Yagi so. Where did that when you were in would do all Salobam and you would do it? Allegedly. Suzala, that we are Jonah. I was a Sudala de 2 a yavoto. E tu e me tu e no weroto o salobo ameni odwa e de awe ya wa e de o my miemi Suzala de noga ya gugu ase Suzala do ase bus stop e so do beg tu e woto e tu e no wa mieni e de wa be no we mare de gba o ga e se wa o ge don ta be ba yo de ti se na e don na e dan for there. No know that a 2 a we were begging. Oh, ye be a loto. Back with you. Eria mammy so. Ya was a Susan land. A 2 a day near what a Susan land or book baby upon you. I walk where our member say mayo. My Susan land did debit away to a no waro dog. A 2 a no human mind. Have a 2 a no more jen, a 2 a no more here, no guillermo. Oh, saloboa. Have we no me a code no ba. Abu no me siria no ba. Ia wo vodo. Awe. Awe boso ga isanya so. Oni no hu tete no guge so wa. Ekpi. Eso ga ikenwe o gbigbilala opono giodi am giogi. Ijeme. Ia we so ga ikenwe ga be dede so. E boso ga imwe so enwe hi e kwa we preza ya. Oye na hi po na he said mama why so agba won me gbe na why some women not fit stop ashawo o dey say aya won na this human you be blood Oh, for that care. A good woman. Jebe. I want to hit the rotor. Yet the Sabuya I came where. Ya don't care, my wife. Ya Biana be prison of one, and maybe prison of one. Ya gwale prison of what, but that ya be shame. Ya, I see I am, I make me prison, or ye tawa, ya wabe the desoni, me where I pull away. Ya, I pack a ya food that you will prison. Ya, I love ye when ye la tian. Oh, ye naive, eh. Oh, ye woro, me wa, oh, wow, la dion viole. Oh, ye ni, he be a pole left for a bag. Oh, call me. Maybe understand it, but now we matter where. I want me so. I want. I remember say. I want me so. Yeah, what say? Can I paint makeup away yane? Everybody out here, baby. How you doing? Baby, how you doing? How much? Oh, where? 200 enemy Swiss enemy. Yeah. Oh, how old are you? Oh, I'm just 35 years. Well, I bet it in the Pasha work better 35 years to be 25. You understand? Everybody out where one year be more year or year. Yeah, my guy. I said, yeah. You say, Mama, like Rosekia. Oh, you say Rosekia. Rosekia breast. Who be Rosekia? Rosekia be me. Quiet. Roski. So, there, we are like Seva. Hey, oh, okay, follow me. Baby, I treat you good. Allegedly. No, ma be me good news. If you me say, I walk bueno. No, ma. What you marry na? Awe. I walk. Oh, salo, but me di good. If you someone on mama, okay, na. I be baby na irritable, bomb. We say platform if you know me, I go. Ah, where atasi, we are going to go. Ah, na where atasi nati afelse. Ya kale kwani age. Atasi nati atasi. Ere mama say we are going to go. Meno ya atalo kwa. Epo di. We what me aso atoge. Oh, if you so akalo o ka isa lo bua mi. O temeni. Me gbo de. O ga gi typhoon. He said, Mama, you know the woman na our area she do. Ma if you got guitar for them, you are going to yugi. It don't see if you oh ma even we got taba. He mata inwa. Ja. Hey. Oh we mama. Hey sagano. Eria wata ifiria tai owe desulogi na kare me wagele jaji ivi o bukani me boy de o atai me boy de ivi wo me wa gu na bo bifi ejiba he ya iteso wa okoi o ikamebo makpane eri ama mi ese o na ta si boga be tete ni Jesus alati ni o awe wa fole won popa wa ye gedegbe oye na ge obe na okokon so ye na ge watermelon ge 10 euro na ke bi soma o wa pack you we bruza eboni awo salo bo awe mi ona enwe u tete ne gi abi ya ize enwe be na abuja igwa lawo gwa neje igwa kiemi yo igwa fanoko enwe wa ubi ala gbedegbe we brisa gbe ije eboni we what hey mommy what is this hey I need to ask back how old are you well I just 35 I don't believe you I don't believe. Anyway, why you don't believe? They could believe in me now. Why will not believe in me? Or with the size of this breast? No. It's so strange. The size of this breast, no. This is a Liverpool. Oh, the size of this breast is unbearable. Where can I start from this breast? Anyway, my pikin moku start for anywhere we'll see. Any place we no say we go for starting. Moku start for there. No be breast I give you. You know what the breast or want the breast. And not the breast I give you. Moku start for anywhere moku start. You know like moku raise and go up. If you raise and go up like this here, you go for put your mouth for the nipple. Well, yeah. Can I do that? Oh, wait. Yes, now. Why you not go fit? Well, okay. Can you help me? Can you help me? Because this breast, this one is drillage. It's a drillage. Oh my God. The big of this breast, the size of this breast is unbearable. Beer heavy man, moko beer, moko pack and go up like this. I go help to make a hole like this. Okay. Make a use this crochet, make a beer like this. I'll call use this crochet pack for the down. The breast go come raise some more. You go come put your mat here. You good like that. Anyway, yeah. On the more you will not see and see as you do like this now. It come easy as you do so. Make you like this. Make her sit down for this year. I go sit down for this chair. I not go sleepy. You go balance like that. You good like this or when I can echo ye re. Echo no wa be gwe. O wa gwe. Ekonoro the watu ekwa iwatu. You know say belle make me it did different that eko to watu guwe some bedo belle or watu guwe. Or what about this Tommy? What am I going to do? What is the TOTO? What is the pekus? Where is the peku? You not see the pekus for there. Or I not say I don't sleep in here. Okay, make I use something to pack this belle go up so that will make you for seeing where. Oh, yeah, can you do that? Why not now? They do it before now. Make a pack and go up, go see. Make you not worry. Make you just give me like 2 to 3 minutes. Make a take pack and go up like this, so that you foresee the pekos way day down. Okay, you don't see her like this now. You not see her. I got better pekos. This something mere. You not see her like this. I don't see her. I don't want to go up like this. You just do your boy as we go. Sorry, my darling, sorry. Although your boy have your coni, or you have your good document, you want pack a go to a coni or what pack a good document. Eke, who does see the pecos or dosia? Eke, you there okay like this or what? Make her open her where Abiasa open her like this, don't do. Oh, mama, open it a little bit, mama. I can find it. I can find it. This is it's so strange. I can raise it up. Will not feel my leggy. Okay, make her raise my leg, make her put her for this chair where they here like this. Yeah, you good do like this, are we good? Jesus no be rabbi no no. Yeah, it's your why you have it anyway. What can say? Jebe, oh, where I can, yeah, man, I support to when him so we are me so as I did no. Why give her? A Susan lad that we are watch you. I will be a say Susan lad. I will go. What my meaning? I will be a say Susan lad. Una se Switzerland. Ave de so ya de mudiake kebo. E kokobiri awon wa mudiake Jesu no genewie. Ha we so Suzy awowe. Atasi. Atasi. Awa iwa se ba ya wa mi ave kokobiri no ro ni. O wa kam na kokobiri wa be no we amos. O wa kokobiri no be na. Hey. Mommy, Africa mama. Amy, she's the case of a Satan. Well, now 200 yo, now 200. Mommy, that is not good for your African brother. I mean, Africa, you are African. The money is thickest. You're not too costly, and you be like my brother now. You're not too costly. Hey, mommy, Africa, it still costs. I cannot pay that. I came from Africa like it to look for money here in Europe. Everybody is looking for me. I have to do something with money in Africa. The same way you are looking. I'm immigrant, you are immigrant. But my me, I read the dinny. If now we're going, we are me kokobiri, ejiva. Oh, Saloba, and you go do. I wake kokobiri, so I worry. I walk away. Kokobire so agwara mu ya wa degba wa yekun o ze bebe akpi ye wa de nene me we idakpolo wa yekun ti wa mu dede wa na wono wa ki ona na we wetin be this ogwe hey sister it's reputation. I am using it to protect myself. This is African protection. I have to protect myself. It has nothing to do with it. No, this one is for business. Although care here kuri na. O wari ela iwata iwoto iwata iwoto edede gati Boy go be kokobiri at sister. You have to happiness for me, sister. Sister, you have to release your belly to me, sister.